When it comes to the symbolism, we have the three main ethnic groups in the country represented by the triangle's points: Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs. The triangle itself is meant to represent the rough shape of the country, and the stars are meant to represent Europe, and the reason why we have the top and bottom ones cut off is to show that they're infinite and continuous. To find the first historical Bosnian flag, join me in my trusty time machine and let's go back to the year 1154 AD and the creation of the Bosnian state. It was called the Banat of Bosnia, and the medieval land was officially part of the Hungarian crown lands, but it was also a de facto independent state, and it remained that way for over 223 years. Although the Banat of Bosnia gave birth to a local church, it was branded heretical by the Catholic and Orthodox churches, but the people were still Christians, so the first historical Bosnian flag they chose was a blue banner with a white cross in the middle. It was similar to today's Swiss flag, and it remained the Bosnian flag until the Bosnian people basically elevated their state into a full-fledged kingdom independent from Hungary. This new Bosnian kingdom of 1377 AD continued using the same banner, but they also turned the coat of arms of the famous ruling Bosniak family, the Kotromanics, as their own flag as well. It was a blue shield with 6 golden fleur-de-lis or lilies displayed around the white band, and it remained the flag until the Ottomans invaded in 1463. And while the Ottoman Turks invaded the eastern parts of Bosnia in 1463, a big portion of Herzegovina's territory remained independent as a Christian kingdom called the Duchy of Saint Sava. It was named after Saint Sava the Enlightener, who was a Serbian prince and Orthodox monk. He was also the first archbishop of the Serbian Church, founder of the Serbian law, and a very famous diplomat. The rulers of the Duchy of Saint Sava used this cool red and white coat of arms, and therefore the banner of the duchy itself was this red flag with 2 white crosses on it, and it was used until 1482 when the Ottomans invaded Herzegovina. Moving forward a few hundred years to the year 1760, when the Bosnian landlords were recorded to carry a green flag with a star and a crescent as part of a failed second Ottoman attempt to invade Moldova. 90 years after that battle, and in the 1830s, this flag was used during a major Bosnian revolt against the Ottomans to obtain more autonomy from the Turks after the Sultan's action resulted in Bosnians losing a lot of their rights. When the Austro-Hungarian Empire annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina from the Ottomans in 1908, the flag was changed once more. The province of Bosnia used this flag with red and yellow horizontally, while the province of Herzegovina used the same colors but reversed. The coat of arms of a famous Bosnian duke from the 1300s was also sometimes placed on the Bosnian flag. The next chapter in the country's history comes with the 1918 Kingdom of Yugoslavia, which raised the tricolor flag of blue, white, and red. But the individual states did not have their own flags, and this was the case until the Second World War and 3 kings later, when the monarchy was abolished and the Federal Yugoslav Republic was created, adding a red star into the flag. After the war and during the early Yugoslav Republic, there were a few flags proposed for Bosnia and Herzegovina, from a tricolor with a yellow and red star in the middle, to a Soviet-looking red banner with a factory in the top left corner, to red banners with Yugoslav colors in the corner. And this was the chosen flag from 1946 until the breakup of Yugoslavia in 1992. And the first flag after the creation of the modern Bosnian state was this white banner with the coat of arms of the Kotromanic ruling dynasty from the 13th century, and it was used from 1992, but no other ethnic groups outside the Bosniak community liked it, so in 1998 the country changed the flag to the current blue and yellow banner with the infinite stars. What many people outside the Balkans don't know is that the Bosnia and Herzegovina country that we know today is made up of 2 entities. The first one is the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, which used to fly this banner representing its ethnic groups. The second entity within Bosnia and Herzegovina is called Republika Srpska, which has a majority Serbian community and uses this tricolor influenced by the Serbian flag. One of the reasons why I like the current flag is because of the 3 waves of proposed flags in 1992. The first set of proposed flags included these 3 horrible designs, while the second set had these 4 considered, which was better than the first one but still not good. The third set of proposed flags was by Carlos Westendorp Gebeza, a Spanish diplomat appointed by the UN to oversee the country's peace accords. And his first proposal was the one selected, but the baby blue color was later changed into a dark blue, which is the one we know today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment with any corrections, suggestions, or extra information you might have, and I will see you next time on Council of Knowledge.